Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. So in the tutorial you will learn how to create louvre window in Revit. I think it will be interesting because we just take a few minutes only just create for our louvre that create with our curtain wall and insert our family. Here is a louvre that I want to create. Let's say I want to create for this one, just a louvre here. Okay, so anyway, let's follow along together. I'm going back to my Revit here. Here is my Revit. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe my channel because I make video like this 4 or 5 weeks. Depend, I got more time to do and recording. Okay, so anyway, let's follow along together for this tutorial. Here I am in Revit architecture template. I just go to my architecture tab here, starting for draw walls. Okay, so I have one curve wall. I just start here like this one and this one, something like this. Hit escape a couple times. WA on my keyboard again for create another curtain wall. This one, just like here, go to 3D here. Let me hide my elevation first. Okay, so wall here, I'm drop down changing for curtain wall, and of course I don't want to affect my previous curtain wall from default. I just duplicate here. Then we just leave it for curtain wall with lower window or something like this. And then we just hit okay. Okay, this one for vertical grid we didn't want to type, and this one we need to type it. Just drop down, then we change to fixed distance, change from spacing to 150, and vertical margin. For margin here we need to create family margin first, so I just hit okay first. Okay, as you can see here we get our grid line here for horizontal one. So I'm going to family here, drop down finding for curtain wall margin here, just open here, and this one open up also. So this one I'm going to, let me duplicate this one and change this one to 5mm by 5mm, and for angle just put it 30 angle like this one. Double click on my new family. Angle this one I change to 30, and for the profile here we just leave it like this. Position just follow our deform, thickness just follow our deform, material just follow also, and those dimension, those two guys we need to change. I change it to 5 by 5, then just hit okay. And this one I just select my curtain wall that I have duplicate one, go to edit again. Then for this one horizontal margin I just drop down, then change it to my rectangle margin 5 by 5 by 13, just like here, and double hit apply and hit okay. As you can see, now we finish our louvre window. Let's apply in our curve wall here. So my curve wall here I would like to change to storefront. Just change it to storefront like this one. This one I want to delete first. Here is our curve wall, so I can apply my lower window here. So by applying that, I just hit the tab key on my keyboard for select only my glass panel here. Then here I'm going to select, right click on my mouse, then finding for select all instance, go to insert project for unpick all, and then okay, so let's make adjustment first. This one drop down finding for curtain wall with lava that I have create one, just like here. So now file is generating, it will take a few seconds. Anyway, this one we just take a minute only when we want to apply in our project. As you can see now, our lava is lower, is running properly, and this one of course I can change to realistic. And for the lava material here, you can play around that, but by play around that, you just go to your family that you have created one. Okay, let me play around with this first. I'm going to again, and this one is material finish. I want to change. Actually, by right, you need to create a new material, but here just a quick adjust, go straight. go to apparent material here. Okay, I think we need to duplicate is better. We need to create a new material is better, because later on if we haven't, we didn't create a new material here, will be equipped to with our Malian. Just window lower like this one. Go to appearance again, appearance library here, finding for pen, and I want, okay, just want to change to, let's say we want red color, this one, and just hit apply, then hit OK, then hit apply, then OK. Okay, so now it's generating, and there we go. So now as you can see, here we got our lava here with a red color, and of course you can play around with your lower window here. By play around that, you need to duplicate your curtain wall, and need to duplicate your family also, and change another material, will be not affect with your project. Anyway, it's pretty much for this tutorial. I think we just take a few minutes only for the tutorial. Don't make it so long, because when you start on your project, it's just, I think, just take around 1 meter only. What? No, sorry, not 1 meter, 1 minute only. When you know the tip and when you know the trick here. Okay, so it's pretty much for the tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe my channel, because I make video like this 4 or 5 week, and of course I will bring more content about Revit. Okay, it's pretty much. Thank you for watching. I see you for another tutorial in Revit. Thank you.